हाय। सो आज हम बात करेंगे लाइट के ऊपर। सॉरी, मेरा गला थोड़ा खराब हो गया, सर्दी है काफ़ी दिल्ली में, तो मैं एक्सप्लेन करूँगी आप सब लोगों को। लेट मी रीड आउट अबाउट लाइट। ओके, आई हैव जस्ट प्रिपेयर, आई डिड सम रिसर्च एंड so after research and my hard work, so I'm going to, if you want a PDF you can uh, just send me a message that you need a PDF first. I'll share it with you guys. Okay, so light is a fundamental. Without light we won't be able to do photography. जब भी हम लाइट के बारे में, जब भी हम फोटोग्राफी के बारे में सोचते ना, बिना लाइट का फोटोग्राफी हो नहीं सकती. इट्स इम्पॉसिबल. ओके, यू नो, टंग आप पॉसिबल नहीं कर सकते. इट्स इम्पॉसिबल. आप बोले इंफ्रा लाइट, दैट्स वेरी फार ऑफ. यू नो, इसके बारे में अभी हम नहीं सोचेंगे. इफ़ हम फोटोग्राफी करना चाहेंगे अच्छी सी तो हमें लाइट की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी. बिना लाइट की फ़ोटोग्राफी नहीं हो सकती है. समझ में आया? जैसे कि हम खाना बनाते हैं, सब्ज़ी बनाते हैं, उसमें नमक की ज़रूरत होती है. हाँ, कोई लोग हैं वो नमक नहीं खाते. वैसे ही फ़ोटोग्राफी करने के लिए हमें लाइट की ज़रूरत होती है. अंडरस्टूड? बिना लाइट की फ़ोटोग्राफी नहीं हो सकती. ओके, दैट्स इट. आपको बेसिक भी सीख करना है, फ़ोटोग्राफी सीखना है. नहीं सीखना चाहते आप कहीं और जा सकते हो, दूसरे चैनल देख सकते हो. आई हैव नो प्रॉब्लम फॉर दैट. ठीक है, लेट मी रीड आउट. लाइट इज़ फंडामेंटल टू फोटोग्राफी, जो अभी मैं आपको बता रही थी. इट इज़ द एसेंस ऑफ द मीडियम, एज फोटोग्राफी इटसेल्फ मीन्स ड्राइंग विद लाइट. पेंटिंग विद लाइट बोलते हैं, तो ड्राइंग विद लाइट. हियर व्हाई light is so important. Now we are going to discuss why light is important while doing photography. Number one point is that illumination, that means lighting and exposure. Illumination means what? Light. Okay, जिस चीज़ को, कोई अंधेरा में कुछ चीज़ हम टॉर्च ऑन करते क्या है, उसको उजाला हो जाता है, हमें पता चलता है. ये रूम सोचिए मेरे ऊपर कोई लाइट नहीं पड़ रही है, अंधेरा हो गया है ना, देयर इज़ नो मून लाइट, nothing, I won't be visible, because for visibility you need to put some kind of light. Okay, so जब बेसमेंट में चले गए, बिल्कुल अंधेरा रूम है, वहाँ पे एक विंडो भी नहीं है, सोच सकते, और मैं वहाँ पे बैठी हूँ. अब मुझे लाइक, इफ़ यू वांट पीपल शुड हैव, लोग मुझे देखें. लोग कैसे देखेंगे? हाउ विल पीपल फाइंड आउट आई एम देयर इनसाइड द रूम इन अ डार्क रूम? They have to put a torch on me or a light on me, and then I'll become visible. Okay, in same way, without lighting we won't be able to record the image in our sensor. Okay, समझ आ गया? या फिल्म में भी. So let me read out the point. Creates visibility. What light does? It creates visibility. Without light, capturing an image is impossible. जो मैं बता रही थी आपको कि बिना लाइट का हम इमेज कैप्चर नहीं कर सकते. आप कहीं भी फोटोग्राफी कीजिए, लाइट चाहिए. अब वेडिंग में भी अगर तो अंधेरा पिक्चर किसको पसंद है यार? क्लाइंट बोलेगा यार तुमने ये अंधेरा पिक्चर खींच के दिया, तुम्हें मैं पैसा नहीं दे रहा हूँ. यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू गेट अ सिंगल पेनी फ्रॉम योर क्लाइंट. सो टू मेक अ गुड पिक्चर इन अ वेडिंग, इन अ कमर्शियल, एंड व्हाट दे डू, दे ब्राइटन अप एवरीथिंग. आप अमूल का पिक्चर देखते हो, उसमें क्या होता है? पिक्चर्स देखे हुए हैं ना कमर्शियल के, एड्स के, कैसे दिखता है? ब्राइट वाइट है ना, पीछे तो वाइट बैकग्राउंड. वाई दे वांट टू ब्राइटन, दे वांट टू हाईलाइट देयर प्रोडक्ट. समझे? आप बोलोगे कि ऐसा नहीं यार, हो सकता है फोटोग्राफी बिना लाइट का, पर दैट्स समथिंग एल्स यार. कम दैट वोंट सेल, दैट्स वेरी आर्टिस्टिक, दैट इज फ्रॉम डिफरेंट, यू नो, लेवल. वो हो सकता है इंफ्रा लाइट जो भी है, कुछ भी है, यू नो, लॉन्ग एक्सपोजर एंड ऑल दोज थिंग्स, इट्स पॉसिबल. बट नाउ पेड़ के लिए आप सोचोगे सब करके दोगे तो नहीं चलेगा भाई, नहीं चलेगा. लेट मी हैव अ सिप. ओके, पॉइंट नंबर सेकेंड. द कैमरा सेंसर और अ फिल्म नीड्स लाइट टू रिकॉर्ड एन इमेज. व्हाट डज द कैमरा सेंसर नीड? इट्स नीड अ लाइट टू रिकॉर्ड एन इमेज. ओके, जैसे कि हमारा जो कैमरा सेंसर होता है उसको लाइट चाहिए रिकॉर्ड करने के लिए, उस इमेज को कैप्चर करने के लिए. अब आपको समझ आ रहा है ना? आई होप सो. Okay, the next, okay, determines exposure. The amount of light entering the camera affect brightness, contrast and detail in the final image. Too much of light leads to what? Overexpose. And the less, if less amount of light will come to your कैमरा सेंसर, देन इट विल बी अंडर एक्सपोज. ये सब चीज़ समझ क्या होता है. यू नीड टू नो हाउ मच लाइट determines how the amount of light that need to enters your camera sensor. Otherwise, if it's too much of light, it will be very bright. See, if I'm here, if someone is capturing it and someone has given a light and it's like too bright, so what will happen? My face will be washed up. It will be very bright. No detail will be shown. So if someone is clicking my picture from here and there is less intensity of light and lesser of exposure, what happens? My picture won't be like, it will be dark and अंडर एक्सपोज. उसको आप समझे, जैसे कि मैं अभी बता रही हूँ, जो भी हम लाइट होता है ना, जो एक्सपोजर डिटरमाइन करता है कैसा इमेज आने वाला है हमारे फाइल में. जितना अमाउंट लाइट एंटर होगा हमारे सेंसर्स को कैप्चर करेगा. कम अमाउंट के लिए होगा तो पिक्चर्स जो उसको ज़्यादा चाहिए था एक्सपोजर, हमने कम दे दी, वो क्या होता है अंडर एक्सपोज. पिक्चर काला सा जब दिखता है ना, अच्छा नहीं होता काला सा. उसमें क्या था, लाइट जो है सही नहीं है, मतलब ज़्यादा एक्सपोजर जो था ना, एक्सपोजर सही नहीं था. सो उसके लिए हमें सही एक्सपोजर लेने की ज़रूरत है. और जैसे कि लाइट जब ज़्यादा होता है, हमने ज़्यादा एक्सपोजर, ज़्यादा ब्राइट, जैसे कि 5.4 या आप 5.4 के और नीचे खींचोगे तो क्या होगा, एक्सपोजर ब्राइट होगा. ISO बढ़ा दोगे तो क्या होगा, आप सोचो सुबह का टाइम है, यू रिक्वायर ISO अराउंड 200 एंड इफ आई पुट ISO अराउंड 1600 देन द पिक्चर विल बी वॉश्ड आउट. In same way you can do with the shutter speed also and aperture also and ISO also. You can play with three. If you think in that way, ISO, okay, aperture, ISO and shutter speed. You can play around with this three and control your right. If something misbalance happen in this three angle, एक ऊपर नीचे कुछ हो जाता है या ज़्यादा हो जाता है, तो पिक्चर आपके अंडर एक्सपोज हो सकते हैं और ओवर एक्सपोज हो सकते हैं. समझ, आपको बैलेंस करना है इन तीनों को. जब आप तीनों को बैलेंस करोगे तो क्या होगा, आपका इमेज अच्छे आएंगे. व्हाट योर क्लाइंट विल लव इट टू सी अ ब्राइट ब्यूटीफुल ग्लो अप पिक्चर ऑफ अ ब्राइट. ओके, कम टू द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट. सो नेक्स्ट point is define moods and emotions. Yes, even light can define what? Moods and emotions. If your picture is nice and well lit up, it will have a bubbly and nice, sunny day. And if you're taking a picture of a model and it's a bright light and nice light, it feels nice. मज़ा आ गया है ना. So define moods and emotion. Bright light evokes feelings of joy, energy and clarity. Bright light in sunshine thing, it's a winter morning and it's a beautiful sun has come out. How you feel? You feel so relaxed, energized with that light, that sunshine, and you feel good. You feel the heat and that relax, that calm your body. ठंड में उसके बाद a nice light, a sunny day. In a gloomy winter, I don't like Delhi winters, but this year it's nice, it's bright, it's like it's give me a feel of joy and energy, energize me. I'm a person who loves a lot of sunshine. Without sun, I think I'm not going to survive. Okay, then comes next, the soft light creates a calm, dreamy or a romantic atmosphere. It means what, in the early morning when you go to a park and you can see the rays coming out, you can romanticize it. Rays, the sun rays is coming through the trees and all those stuff, and little bit of moist, Delhi winters. And if you go to Lodi Garden, if you go to Nehru Park, and you can, I think even if you go around 8:30 to 9, you'll get those rays out there and you can take very beautiful picture, taking the couple, pre-wedding shoot and all these things. You can do it, that will come out very nice, very dreamy and angelic kind of picture. And yeah, you will love it. Try it, I'm telling you. You should go there and capture. Yeah, I have done, I think, long time back. I have captured, but my images are not there. And it was in the hard drive. The hard drive got crashed all the data got removed. I was not being able to save my data. I still have those hard drive at my home. Okay, let's come to the point. So next is to create scum, and soft light is good even for when you are doing a like for child, for yeah, child matlab baby or toddler, when you're clicking a picture of a toddler, then also it creates calmness, there's softness, the window light coming early morning, that makes a beautiful picture. जैसे कि मैं ये बोल रही हूँ आपको कि बच्चों जैसे सॉफ्ट लाइट होता है ना, सॉफ्ट लाइट में क्या होता है, आप बच्चों का पिक्चर ले सकते हो, और सुबह सुबह जो मॉर्निंग होती है, आप जो सर्दी के बाद सर्दी के टाइम में जाओगे ना, वो जो रेज जैसा आता है, और आप वो चीज़ क्लिक कर सकते हो कपल के साथ, प्री वेडिंग के साथ, इट रोमांटिसाइज, गिव यू अ होल डिफरेंट अरीना, लाइक a dream-like image. Yeah, it's dream-like image. So now let's come to the next point: low or directional light. What is low or directional light? Adds drama, mystery, or intensity. One side light, जो एक side से आ रहा है, it creates a lot of drama, lot of mystery. जैसे कि आप पुरानी मूवी देख सकते हो, हॉरर मूवी में देख सकते हो, ये लाइटिंग साइड लाइट से कुछ कुछ है भाई, कुछ है, it's even a small noise can be like, oh, so scary, it can make you feel that डर अंदर उसके बारे में सो, but it can make a good images also. It's not like that, side light can give, and if you can give a fill in light from this side, so I'm giving a side light and this become a dark from this side, this is bright enough and this is very dark. So what I'm going to balance it, because I like a side light, and then I'll put a fill in from here somewhere, and then this will be the half of the intensity, and then if I want something more, then I can give my I'm sorry, and then I can give a highlight also. So highlight will create a beam kind of thing, and so it will lit up the image, and it will make it look very like fashion, high fashion kind of image also. Chalo. Shapes and enhance subject. Third point is that what light can do. It can enhance your shapes and subject. Okay. Highlight, I just discussed highlight and shadow. Light creates depth and dimension, emphasizing texture, shapes, and form. Adds okay. The second, then I'll come to the other point. This I was discussing previously. So same thing. So what does, how does it help? Like it helps different form. For example, ये मेरा हाथ है. I'm showing you. It's very flat. So if I give a shadow from a side light and then from a highlight, so it will enhance my lines here. एक एक लाइन दिखेगा यहाँ से, and then it will create some kind of a magic kind of thing. ठीक है, एक साइड से लाइट, ये सारे कुछ हाईलाइट हो जाएंगे. ठीक है, we can highlight. इसको दिखा, I don't have a picture. Let me get this. Okay. Yes, this is also you can see a texture, but it doesn't have a texture that much. The leaf, yeah. So we can use this also. We can click this and we can take out the texture out of it from the side light and a little bit of reflector. So इसकी जो भी detailing है वो निकल जाएगा, and we can even give a highlight also. It will look very nice. ठीक है, this is my grab. Grab नहीं होता है, grapes होता है, grapes. हाँ, this is a grapes plant. Grape is different and grapes is different. अंगूर हिंदी में, ग्रेप इज समथिंग गोला सा होता है. ठीक है, और या इट्स लाइक अ सिट्रस फ्रूट, द वन आई एम टॉकिंग ग्रेप. दिस इज नॉट grapes. दिस इज ग्रेप्स. तो वो हम निकाल सकते हैं, टेक्सचर्स को हाईलाइट कर सकते हैं, और शेडो भी फॉर्म हो सकते हैं. मैं बोलूँ जैसे कि आप यहाँ से हाईलाइट एक साइड से देखो क्या होगा, यहाँ से शेडो फॉर्म हो जाए, ये डिटेलिंग सारा निकल के आया. सॉरी. ओके, Add focus. Proper lighting can draw attention to the main subject by lighting it while leaving the background subdued. Okay, it means like if I'm here, so I'll be on the focus, and the rest of this image behind me will become blur. Okay, because it will give a depth also. For that, what we have to do, तब तो हमें aperture तो गिराना पड़ेगा, you know. If we will take it, when we'll take the image on 22, f22, then we'll be getting everything here. Okay, then we have to go down. Then I'll be taking my image at around 2.8 will be a great, so everything will become blur and nice, you know, and a nice light both from here also. I'm going to give a light from here also, and then I'm going to give a highlight from behind, from the side also, my hand also. So I'll be lit up nicely, and my backdrop will be like a blurry kind of thing, you know, leaving a background subdued, you know. My backdrop won't be like highlighted. Now you can see each of the thing behind me, like bottle, then yeah, horse is there. Yeah, you have been able to see, yeah, that one. That's my lucky horse. So you can see him. So he saved me from a lot of things. That guy. How I like calling that guy. So everything will be lit up. Like I'll be lit up, and this subject will be lit up, and what will happen will give a very nice. So this will become very blue. Yes. So let's come the next point number 4. Creates artistic effect. Yes, ये तो बात सही. लाइटिंग से ही क्रिएट आर्टिस्टिक इफेक्ट होता है. लाइट है तो बहुत कुछ है, लाइट नहीं तो कुछ भी नहीं है. आपको पता है आकाश में एक्चुअली पूरा अंधकार ही है. ओके, just because of the sunlight, there are millions of sun above us, so their lights comes out, and it started to lit up, you know, this black sky. The grey sky looks beautiful at night. So so the next point is, let me check if I'm recording it properly or not, the voice is coming or not. I'm just blah 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 blah. Okay, I haven't checked, I have no idea. So cool temperature. What is cool temperature? Okay, different type of light. Example, sunrise, sunset, artificial lighting brings distinct color tones, adding moods and story to the image. समझ में आया? इसका मतलब क्या है? You know, yeah, even the tone of a light, like different timing, sunrise, sunset, they give a different like color tone. Blue हो गया, morning hours, sunset, it's sunrise, it's red, you know, and moonlight, it's blue. I'm making you understand the thing, okay? It gives an artistic effect. The light can give an artistic effect. So you have understood now. So it can add to create an effect. So if I put a light here, artificial light, and put a red color, मुझे anger दिखाना है, lust दिखाना है, then I'll put a red color. Then I want to depict a person here sitting just close to me, like cool and calm. Then I'll put a blue filter, like blue gel paper. My nose is like tickling. I don't know. I need a hanky. I'm looking for my hanky. Yes. It's there. That's there, guys. Yes. So different color tones give a different effect. So if I have to do a love scene, I'll add red color, or flower, something pink. And if I have to do something horror, then I'll go back to black, dark, grey, night, you know, moonlight, okay, wolves, all those things, you know, that comes. So in that way, okay, bring distinct tones and adding mood and story to the image. What is dynamic lighting? It's technique like contrast between light and shadow, and backlighting can enhance the creativity and drama. That we had already discussed about dynamic lighting, that we are same thing, you know, tell you what, side light and then and highlight and everything, that creates a, a dimension kind of thing, you know, a different, it shadow है, light है, एक dimension create करते हैं, it's separate. Now you know, if you were looking at me right now, the video getting shoot, it's a very flat light, you know, it's flat, there is no dimension, to be very honest, I'm telling you. But if I have to make something dynamic, then I have to put side light, then fill in, then highlight, and all those things. ठीक है, I hope you understood. So, then communicates time and place. Natural light change throughout the day, okay, and its quality, example a golden hour, blue hour, add context to the image, conveying time and environment mood. Early morning, it's a golden hour, you know, later in the afternoon. Let's see what is, let me check one is, what is golden hour is like, you know, timing, sunrise के time, sunset के time. What is blue hour? Quite, let me check. Blue hour. Blue hour. Okay, it's the same thing. Blue hour is a brief period of time after sunset or before sunrise. You know, it's a timing before sunrise and after sunset. It's like during the evening. Twilight, kind of a twilight, okay, because of the soft light and peaceful atmosphere here, as it is popular at the time of toggle because the soft light. Because at that time, at that hour, the light becomes very soft. I told you, and then you can create your image. Image will come out, you know, very stunning and beautiful image. You can record in your camera. Okay, record का मतलब ये हो गई click करना, same thing. Okay. So if you have any question, you can just, and then let's come to the next point, the 6th point. Control light. What it does is control perspectivity and depth. Directional lighting creates highlight and shadow that adds a 3-dimensional feels to a 2-dimensional image. Backlighting or side lighting can enhance contour and separate the subject from the background. For example, if this thing is dark behind me, so what I have to do, I have to put a light on my backdrop, and then I'll put a highlight on both the side, and then I put a highlight on my head also, you know, separate कर, ठीक है. तो क्या होगा, it separate me from the backdrop, you know, there will be a separation, or on the top also I can give it, you know, it will separate me. So and the 7th point is improve technical quality. Sufficient and well managed light ensures a sharpness, reduce noise and enhance detail, especially in challenging condition like a low light environment. Okay, if there is a low light, so yeah, if there is a noise, then it become difficult, so then we have to put an extra light. So extra light should be there. If you want no noise should be created, क्या करते हैं, नाइट फोटोग्राफी की तरह आप अपना लाइट लेके जाते हो, उस लाइट के सेटअप लगाते हो या आप फ्लैश लगाते हो, बिकॉज नॉइज़ ना बने. नॉइज़ बनेंगे क्या, लोगों को पिक्चर पसंद नहीं आएगा. आप इवेंट पे जाते हो, रात को पार्टी वगैरह शूट करते हो, और वहाँ पे बहुत सारे किसी किसी को पसंद है, पर सबको नहीं पसंद है गाइस. प्लीज़ पॉइंट टू बी नोटेड, नॉट एवरीवन डजंट लाइक इमेजेस, डार्क इमेजेस. ओके, आई लाइक इट, आई लव इट विदाउट फ्लैश. It doesn't mean my client would love those images. He will say, Meher, let me have some images without okay, let me have images with flash. Okay, that's the point. So you have to carry a flash, or you have to, if there is a like low light. And the 8th point is facilitate creative storytelling. Silhouette, reflection and pattern, manipulating light creates a unique composition that tells the visual story. High key and low key. High key uses a bright lighting and light for a light and an airy feel, while low key relies on shadow and minimal light for the moodiness. Okay, high key and low key. जब अब bright करना चाहिए तुम white wash out and your face, that's a high key. And in a low key butterfly it's more of different shades of grey, black से लेके different shades of grey, that become a low key. So you are more interested in the subdue, you want to subdue the light. Okay, you don't want that brightness. Okay, and I'll show you some image in the next like क्या बोलते हैं yeah next week. So I'm planning for a live also. आप चाहते हो कि मैं live करूँ, so you can just write it on the comment box below and you can subscribe me if you like my channel. And if you like the way I'm teaching you, I'm just learning from you guys. I'm very new and in a teaching background in photography. No, I have taught children to a lower classes like school children, and so children always love me as a teacher. I don't know why. They think me I teach them best. And some of them they top to this, they top the class and parents recommend me. And I'm saying okay great. I don't like teaching. I don't like teaching, but I'm doing it. But let me see photography. Yeah, I think people will love me. Chalo, the last point. In importance, mastering light is mastering photography. Photographer must learn to observe, control, and manipulate light to achieve their creative vision. If you want to be a good photographer, you should know how to control light, you should know how to manipulate light, and you should not, you should have that observation. When you're doing for a daylight photography, you have that keen. You must learn to observe light. If you do that, observation, control, and manipulate light to achieve your creative pursuit. If you are good with light, if you can master with light, and if you have that creative eye, if you have that perspective, then you will become one of the world's best photographers. Yeah, I'm telling you. If you learn to master the light, okay guys, that's the beauty, that is everything. So lighting आना चाहिए, आप लाइट को मास्टर कर सकते हो. You are one of the best photographer, then you can pick anything. You know where to keep the light, how to get that butterfly, how to get that vibrant, where is the highlight, where is how to separate the subject from the background. All those questions. You will be like your client, I need this, then you just see the image and you'll get, oh this. Okay, fine, I'll get you the same thing. So that will be very easy for you guys. सच आप कुछ भी कर सकते हैं, believe me. एक बार ये आपने लाइट को मास्टर कर लिया फोटोग्राफी में, कोई आपको बीट नहीं कर सकता है अच्छा फोटोग्राफी में. पैसा कमाना नहीं कमाना that's a different thing. बट मैं ये बोल सकती हूँ पर आप अच्छा फोटोग्राफर बन सकते हैं. So hope you like what I'm teaching you, and thank you so much, and I enjoy being here every recording this video and see what I'm doing. Let me see how long I'll be able to continue will be able to continue this journey as a mentor, to teach you photography. That's it. And please, I just want to say thank you, and please like and subscribe and support me if you really love photography. Okay, if you have taken away anything from this from my channel today, even one point of learning, then you can't leave me without liking me and subscribing me, guys. Thank you so much. Bye, take care.